Oh, give it to Connor, give it to Connor.
Connor, thank
I don't have money. Oh, fine. No, throw it in sport, Armand. Wait, I need to get my seatbelt right. Let's safety first. I don't have a seatbelt. Badass. Oh, my ass is not even in my seat anymore.
It's too early for this shit.
God damn it. What is he doing? What is the brown man taking you?
We gotta turn around, I forgot something.
I'm on for it. I will open the door, I swear to God. Ah! Oh, fuck! Ah! Ah! Oh my God, do you want to go to the rest area? No, I want to get the fuck there!
Come on, can we go? We're gonna be late. We still have an hour before we get there.
Oh, yeah! Ah! Stop! Stop! Stop!
We're just sitting on the side of the road, acting like degenerates.
Like squirted sunscreen all over the goddamn place. Fuck, it's everywhere, Luke! Shit! Shit!
What are you doing? I thought we had a nice car ride.
The Russians took us to some nice cliff jumping spots.
But we forgot the part that they're Russian. I should say so. We show up and we go to them, and the Russians are like, "Yo, you gotta like sprint a 5-foot like rock and then jump like 12 feet across into a tide pool of water." What the fuck?
I'm not like everybody else. I'm not like everybody else.
The water's freezing.
Are you okay?
Our dicks got mauled. That's all I can realize.
Talk about the big cliff jump, the struggle we had.
Oh yeah, we had to swim out to this fucking boulder shit, okay? And we were like, holy fuck, it's so high in the air. And then we were like, okay, let's climb up to it. Little did we know we had to scale a 90-degree fucking rock that the Russians were like, and we were like, we could not figure out how to do it.
I was climbing up the rock. Luke was pushing me up.
Oh, by the ass, by the ass.
He was pushing me up, and I was struggling. I was sliding down. I thought I was gonna fall and crack my head open, and I reached up. Anton was standing there like a glorious hero. He grabbed my hand and pulled me up. Otherwise, I would have died. I'm convinced I would have died if Anton wasn't there.
When I was going up, Luke put his hand on my tailbone and like fucking chucked me up. Way faster than I needed to.
No.
It's terrifying. Fuck.
Oh, and honestly, the most important part, I ripped my shorts so that everyone had an open view of my penis. Not cool. Anyway, eventually, everyone except me made it up to the rock, and Rylan and our mom, because they weren't there. They all jumped off. It was overall pretty good.
The underwater cave we had to go through.
Oh my God, that was the best part. So, I brought goggles. Oh, that's another story too. We had goggles, right? And we're like kind of plugged swimming around the same boulder. And we found like this cool like cavern, and we got to swim through it, and then there was this massive water glory hole, and we were all like, holy fuck. Whip the goggles on, check it out, and we're like, shit, you can swim in this. So we plug swam through the glory hole into this massive open like anus of the rocks that you could see into, and there was like minority children climbing around us as well as Edward, and so we're like, oh my God, we're stuck in the anus, there's no way out. But if you had the goggles, you could see underneath there was another glory hole out to the open ocean, or the lake, whatever the fuck. So once again, we plug swam through the glory hole up out into the lake, and it was amazing. We all got through, me, Luke, Eli, and Anton, but when Eli went, and he went last, his head got plug slammed into the... Then we swam to like a mini version of Jeffrey Epstein's sex island. Nikita threw me my goggles, and then I went to throw them back at Nikita. They hit the Epstein island and shattered the glass, and the goggles fell into another sex hole, and we were lost forever.